What if I was to tell you that there's a molecule inside your body that controls your energy, your metabolism, your brain function, your ability for your body to repair damaged cells, and even how fast you age? And then what if I was to tell you that that molecule naturally declines as you get older? Well, that's exactly what's happening in your body right now with something called NAD. And right now, NAD has become one of the hottest topics in longevity, anti-aging, cellular optimization, energy optimization, and even with metabolic health. But what is NAD and how does it work? And why are so many researchers, biohackers, and longevity experts obsessed with boosting it in your body? Well, in this video, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you. So stick around to the end. But before we get started, I'm Dr. Nick Zyrowski. Thanks for hanging out with me in today's video. Now, if you're somebody who is struggling with low energy, brain fog, slower recovery, let's say a long day's work or even a hard workout, you just don't recover like you used to. Maybe accelerated aging. You look around at your peers who are the same age as you and you're like, I look older than everybody. Maybe you're suffering from poor metabolism or you're just not feeling yourself anymore. Well, the truth is NAD actually will play a big role in the conversation on how you start solving these problems in your body, because NAD is one of the most important compounds in your entire body. And most people have never heard of it. So let's break down this topic of NAD in a very simple way that makes sense so that you can optimize your health today. And let's start with, what is NAD? NAD stands for Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide. And now I know that sounds incredibly technical, but I want to make this really easy for you to understand. NAD is like a cellular fuel for your body. And without it, your cells literally cannot function properly. And because every organ system in your body demands a tremendous amount of energy, your brain, your muscles, your heart, your metabolism, your immune system, your nervous system, your repair systems in your body, they all heavily depend on your NAD levels. And this is because NAD equals optimized energy. And what I'll do as we're discussing these topics, I'll actually put a link in the description below to a high quality NAD that actually comes directly from my clinic. We use it clinically every day in order to help people boost their health. So a link is in the description below to quality NAD. Now, as we age, this NAD is going to decline. And when we look at how we can optimize our health as we age, there's some things that really get interesting with this topic. And that is that as you age, you're going to find that there's a lot of problems that start to set in. And researchers find that this decline is going to be related to fatigue, slower metabolism, a cognitive decline. So like I said, maybe your memory's not working as good as it used to, a lot more brain fog, poor recovery, a lot of inflammation in the body. So this chronic inflammation that eventually leads to diseases like cancer or even accelerated aging. So in other words, many things that happen in your body that we blame as just getting older, well, they are partially contributed to the fact that we have lower energy amounts. And our declining cellular energy production is causing a lot of problems for us. Here's a simple factor of aging. As we age, our energy demand goes up. Our energy demand outweighs our energy output. And this causes a lot of problems for us. So let's talk about this energy. One of the biggest benefits that people notice as they start taking NAD is that they have improved energy, because NAD is heavily involved in mitochondrial function. And remember, when we think of energy, we can think of it in two ways. We can think of energy as how do we feel all day, but we also have to think of energy in the sense of how well is our body recovering? How well is our body healing? And when our mitochondrial factories, our energy factories inside the cell, start to not function as well, what you're going to find is that you have more energy crashes, you have fatigue issues, you have your body becoming far less resilient. And we're not just talking about, how you feel every day, but also how your immune system is functioning, how your nervous system is functioning. The resilience starts to decline. And this is where many people start to report when they utilize NAD that they have better stamina, they have better recovery, and they also have less exhaustion. And so NAD is going to support your body in so many ways. And beyond that energy production process, process, we have to look at how it'll help us with aging. As I said from the beginning of this video, one of the hottest things in anti-aging right now, and it's because it's scientifically proven, and the research supports it very well, and there's only very few compounds out there that are natural that the research actually supports for anti-aging. Well, NAD is one of them, and this is why it's one of the hottest things in the world of anti-aging in general. NAD is going to activate proteins called sirtuins, and these sirtuins are heavily involved in DNA repair. This is important because let's say that we have DNA issues, this makes us more susceptible to disease. We also are going to see that it supports inflammatory control. Chronic inflammation in the body leads to problems such as cancer, as I mentioned. We're also going to find that it supports metabolic regulation and cellular survival. So researchers often refer to these sirtuins as longevity genes because they play such a big role in our ability to age in a healthy way. So when your NAD levels fall, you're going to find that the repair systems in the body, they become far less efficient. So this is why maintaining NAD levels becomes a major focus in the world of longevity medicine. You're also going to find that NAD plays a huge role in our brain health. And the reason for this is because your brain is one of the most energy demanding systems in the body. So when your cellular energy declines, you could imagine what happens. Many people claim as they get older that their brain starts to fail, that they find that their memory isn't as good, their cognitive abilities aren't as sharp, your focus starts to decline, you have a lot more brain fog. And this is because the brain performance will decline with a lack of energy. So healthy NAD levels will support focus, mental clarity, memory, cognitive resilience, and even neurological protection. Okay, we want to protect ourselves from Alzheimer's, dementia, and all the other neurological conditions that could happen. So this is why NAD is being highly explored in the areas of neurodegeneration, healthy aging, and also the area of improved cognitive ability to fight against cognitive decline. We're also going to find that NAD plays a huge role in our metabolic health, right? When we look at the obesity crisis out there, the crisis of people who are suffering from insulin resistance and struggling to lose weight, this all has to do with metabolic health. NAD is going to play a huge role in insulin sensitivity, fat metabolism, and glucose regulation. Low cellular energy will equal poor metabolic flexibility. Poor metabolic flexibility actually will disrupt your body's ability to burn fat for energy. If we want to lose weight, we need to burn the fat on our body for energy. And this is why supporting NAD levels will actually support metabolic efficiency. It's going to support blood sugar control and also just overall cellular performance when it comes to metabolic health. We're also going to find that you're going to get recovery and cellular repair to a much higher level. Once again, getting into that anti-aging aspect of things, this is a huge benefit of NAD. Every day, our body's going to accumulate oxidative stress, a lot more inflammation, and cellular damage. NAD is going to help power the repair pathways and fix the damage that's occurring in your body. This means you're going to have better resilience, you're going to have healthier aging, and you're going to have improved recovery capacity overall. In my clinic, I work with the aging population every day. And this is why, even as I age and I work with so many people who are struggling with their health and age-related ailments, the topic of anti-aging and longevity has become so important for me. And when we hear these topics, sometimes we just think of, oh, looking better as we age. Who cares about all that, right? Like that's the vanity aspect of it. But the quality of life aspect of it is so far more important. Do we have chronic inflammation that leads to chronic pain or not? Do we have our joints falling apart on us? Do we have a whole bunch of different chronic health conditions arising, such as metabolic syndrome, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, high blood sugar? Do we have issues with cancerous cells developing in our body? Do we have tumor growth, right? These are all the things that become a huge reality as we age. So how can we fight them off? We fight them off by focusing on this topic of longevity and anti-aging in terms of natural medicine. And when we start actually improving the cellular capacity of the body, the cellular energy output, this then allows for many changes to occur across the body. If we can increase energy, we have a ripple effect across every system. And this is really important. So once again, sure, it's going to help us look younger, but what's most important as we age is quality of life and fighting off all of these different health challenges that I just mentioned: cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. and NAD is going to support you across the board in all of those areas. You're also going to find that NAD plays a huge role in overall performance, okay? NAD is going to support that mitochondrial function, which is going to then support endurance, exercise output, exercise recovery, and just cellular adaptation to day-to-day living, right? So if you go for a long walk or if you exercise a little more heavy one day, you're going to find that NAD just supports the overall recovery process because your muscles require a massive amount of energy. So with better energy production, our muscles are well taken care of. Once again, back to the longevity aspect of it. One of the key contributing factors to advanced aging is the loss of lean muscle mass. So if NAD can actually help with our overall muscle recovery and our ability to build lean muscle mass, this is something that is very important. So once again, I'll put links to the NAD that we use clinically down below. But as you can see, NAD is one of the very, very powerful tools that we now have in our toolbox in longevity and anti-aging natural medicine to help improve our quality of life. It's not about the vanity aspect of it. It's about the quality of life aspect, which becomes very important as we age. I'm Dr. Nick Zyrowski. If you love this video, check out this one next.